Evelyn 12 with all my webkins. And today I'm not going to tell the name because I'm going to be quick. So first I will put Freddie here. That as the cameraman. It'll be on Freddie. If you can see something. Okay, you can. I just checked. So I'm going to go down with Jelly Bean. So yeah, he's a Jelly Bean puppy. So I will go down. Okay, let's try. I will go down with every webcam. So here I am. First, like this. Put my feet here and then here. And then oh my gosh, that's scary. I'm like, ooh. And then now Carly. And me. It's fun. Now do these two. And then with the camera. Ready? Oh, whistle star! Don't block my movie. That was my silly dog trying to block our movie. Oh, that was so weird. That was a bad one. Now it's camera and Freddie. Do not know how well. Okay. Don't worry. I've done this before. Come here, camera. Got the camera. I'm going to see my webcam.